Happy birthday, Lou.
Thanks, darling.
This is nowhere where we were supposed to be.
It's my it doesn't matter. It's my 60th.
Yeah, I'm already 60. Righto.
That's Mick. Mick's being incarnated with your voice, into your voice. Mm-hmm. You brought him here afterwards.
And thank you, Mick, for ringing today. You were the first cab off the rank, I think.
I woke up this morning and Dad said Rick said I can have some, why don't we open some data roaming and see if anyone wished me happy birthday. And we had Sandy and Ray sent one from them, and Pam. And then I got an email from my mum and an email from my sister Sue, and then I went back to sleep because it was only like 3 a.m. or something like that. Then you gave me brekkie?
No, we got up. No, we were up at 9.
And I was up at 7. And then Rick gave me some rice crackers with tomato.
And I had 2 eggs, roast spam, baked spam, roasted corn and tomato.
Because apparently it's his birthday today and not mine. But
I've been having to put up with her all week.
He's actually been really nice. He didn't want to be here for my birthday, but when you just saw those pictures, how can you not be here? But circumstances have put us here, and he's a little disappointed on that. But he was made up for it by pampering me. And then Boy bought me this dress. The boy's down here. Hello, boy. Boy. There you go. Thank you.
Just look how beautiful that is. Really setting.
Well, you said it was no good for my birthday, but so am I
plans.
better than idyllic?
I had other plans.
You want more than idyllic from me. That's pretty special.
We had other plans.
Who's we?
Me, me mate, and me barbecue.
Well, so what do they think? Where are they? Why aren't they here with my birthday?
They're coming around the corner now.
Oh, they are swimming in. They're a little late. The 60th birthday party. Woo-hoo!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lou. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Oh, hooray. Hip hip, hooray. Hip hip, hooray. This is a champagne that was given to us by some charterers in Gaios, because there was such chaos in Gaios. We tried to help out, but it wasn't successful in the end. But they came and gave us a bottle of champagne.
French champagne.
French champagne, yes, because she's one of the designers from Cartier.
Oh, Mr. Can't see. Thank you for
Happy birthday.
Thanks for making my 60th birthday beautiful, darling.
Happy sweet 60th.
Thanks, darling. Night. Night all.
We're in the Gulf of Amvaraki, a little town called Venitsa, and we're actually here for Louise's surprise birthday party, albeit belated, because of our getting caught with the problem with the engine. So this is it here, is it? TZAKI? Yeah, TZAKI. How do you know that says TZAKI? Because it says TZAKI. Ah. And that looks like we're going to be having dinner tonight. No.
Come.
But what a pretty place.
Commit. Here is very, very nice shrimps.
Yes.
That's what George said.
Yes.
Yeah.
And 2 fish. This is not so big for me.
Okay.
And sepia.
Never had cuttlefish.
Never had that. Never. Do you eat it? You eat this?
Me?
Yes.
Too much.
Too much.
By the way, Louis, this is your birthday dinner.
No.
It is.
That one.
But no, not really. This is from Olivia. She's paying for tonight. Olivia and James, sorry James.
Oh, I better have this. Where's that $100 thing we saw before?
I don't know, cuttlefish, wasn't it?
No, it was one of those.
So, happy belated birthday
Guys.
from
your
She thought
children.
she got away with it, didn't you, darling? Because we didn't come. Dad brought me here.
Yeah, I finally got you here to George's Friends restaurant.
You bought me this, and I have to eat the head.
You're kidding. Are you going to eat the head? You're not.
It's really nice.
You're kidding me. You're an idiot.
Oh, that's good.
Believe it or not, that's supposed to be a cuttlefish. That's fried feta, and they are shrimpos or something. Shrimp. Fried shrimp.
Hi there. I can't see you.
I am here.
You can see you now.
We've got sparkling wine from George,
We think.
we think.
I don't know who organised this, but look.
I hope it comes out on the camera.
Yeah, just come here. Back a bit. That bit. Oh, look. Oh. Thank you. Who organised this?
George!
No, who did?
George!
Oh, George. Thank you, darling. Is that really George?
Yeah! 100%.
This one?
Did I make it?
So Rick's going to get out of the dinghy and get us through the tunnel underneath on the way to church, where we should have gone. I can drag me across because I'm not getting out because it's my birthday. And I ate too much cake, obviously, didn't I, dear? You're on the camera.
I'm on the camera.
Yeah, you ate too much cake.
Slave driver.
Yeah, no, it's my birthday. There he is. He's getting in, if you can see him. Look. Are you in here? Because I am. Up. And we're off. Let's turn over. That boat's going to be there somewhere. I think we're further out, Rick.
No, I'm not really thinking that's us.
Oh, that one there. Still boat behind us, okay?
No, that's a still boat there.
Yeah, there.
No, there.
There.
The one that anchored really close to us.
The red one.
Axinima.
No, the red one. That's behind us.
Oh, the red
there.
one's gone.
Oh, there it is there.
Oh, it left.
Oh.
It left this morning. That's the blue one.
Here we are, home sweet home, and I can't even see it on the camera. Not a thing, look. Not a thing.
Lots of people have asked us what we like, where we live, so we said that we would give you a tour. So here is a tour down below of Salacia Star. So there is our hatchway, and we go through our hatchway, climb down, and this is our main saloon. So this is where it's our lounge room. Now you might see the table just there. The big table we've got stored because it was just too big. It covered this entire area. So we've taken away the big table, just left that little one there, and we're going to try and find a little table, round table, don't know yet, to go there. You might see on our mirror here, this is a list of jobs to be done, and the ones on the mast, that thing there, are the jobs that we've done. So we've got plenty of light and vision in our main cabin, which is good. That's the main hatchway, and then down. So across from our saloon is the navigatorium, where the brains trust go, which is not true. It's all done electronically these days. Chart plotters, GPSs, other sorts of gear. Our main switchboard, 240 volts along the bottom, 12 volts up here. So that's
that's all our navigation, and then it's down here to our galley. So just here is our fridge, double-sided fridge, and stowage is in behind, just pots and pans and things. The obligatory kitchen sink, our stove and storage, and we come down to, that's our freezer there. So I'll spin back around, and there is our galley where Lou prepares a lot, although tonight pork chops, I'm doing them. Then we come into our aft cabin. So this is where Lou and I sleep. So Lou's wardrobe, Lou's drawers, and then our bed. Lots of light in here again, and then across here is a little settee and my drawers, and inside the lockers, inside the wardrobe, etc. So from the and I didn't show you that bit, in under there is our generator that gives us 220 volts. Then into our aft bathroom, electric toilet, electric dunny there, and then into the shower, hand basin, etc. This is our shower bay, where you can see, but right at the moment we've got the twin tub washing machine in there, so it's hard to give you a good shot of our shower, but it's a lovely shower, and it sits on a seat, so you can shower in all sorts of conditions. On this wall, whoops, inside there, that's the compressor for our fridge, and it's saltwater cooled. Workshop area. Down here, I don't know whether you'll be able to see this or not, maybe not. That's the Volvo Penta, 100 horse turbo Volvo Penta. Back into the saloon again. So now we go from the saloon, and this, guys, for all of those that come and join us, this will be your suite. So this will be where you will stay when you come and visit us. So walking in here, lots of storage space, lots and lots of storage space. And here is a big bed, a little bit like it's wide at the top, but a little bit narrow at there, but very cuddly. And on this side, you've got your own saloon, settee, and that table drops down and makes another double berth if you want it to. But we're using it as the office for where we edit these videos. And then you come forward, you have to excuse the mess. Again, more wardrobes, space, more drawers, lots of storage. We're then through into our bathroom, forward heads. So hand basin and toilet is underneath the bucket, and then we move from there into the forward shower. So you can see the seat there. Shower fitting is up there, and so this whole area is a shower. And just in there is where all of our anchor chain. Can't open it, but that's all of our anchor chain goes into that locker in there. So guys, that's a tour of down below of Salacia Star. So just walking back through your cabin, saloon, a little settee, bed, shut this door and you're totally private, and then back into the main saloon. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little trip down below. We will enjoy it more if you come and stay with us on the boat for any part of the trip. We really look forward to that.
Let's sail away. Let's pretend we're